Welcome to our exploration of how a modern television works. Television technology has come a long way from bulky cathode ray tubes to the sleek, high-definition screens we enjoy today. But what's happening behind that flat screen? At the heart of a modern TV is the display panel, typically an LED or OLED screen. LED TVs use an array of light-emitting diodes to illuminate pixels, whereas OLED, organic light-emitting diode, screens produce light per pixel, allowing for deeper blacks and richer colors. The TV receives signals either through a cable, satellite, or streaming service. These signals are data streams transmitted as electromagnetic waves. When you switch on your TV, the tuner, a critical component, captures these signals and converts them into a format the electronics can process. Once captured, the signal passes through a demodulator, which separates audio, video, and data signals, preparing them for further processing. This is where the TV's processor comes into play. Often compared to a computer CPU, the processor decodes the signals into visible images and clear audio. The processor is also key for smart TV functions, as it runs the operating system, interfaces with apps, and connects to the internet. Meanwhile, the audio signal is sent to the TV's speakers or external audio systems for playback. The display's pixels are individually controlled to show the correct color and brightness, creating the moving pictures we observe. Additionally, advanced TVs integrate HDR, high dynamic range, technology, which enhances contrast and color accuracy, providing a more vivid viewing experience. Behind the scenes, a power supply regulates electricity, ensuring stable operation. Connectivity is another defining feature of modern TVs. HDMI inputs, USB ports, and Bluetooth capabilities expand the TV's utility beyond traditional broadcast. These allow you to connect gaming consoles, sound systems, and other devices, making your TV a central entertainment hub. In summary, modern televisions combine intricate technologies to deliver immersive viewing experiences, cleverly turning complex signals into engaging content right before your eyes. Thanks for watching, and now you know how your modern television works.